evil creature of the night, killer of mouse and other vermins. I got you! Ha ha! You can't flee away from me! You can't!
Hey everybody, it's Jantje here. We're here today to talk about Sloeber version 3.1, what's new and noteworthy. I know it's been a long time since Sloeber 3.1 has been released, but still, I promised to make this video, so here it is. Now, what's new? The first thing to notice is that the GUI has improved a lot on behalf of the serial monitor and the library imports. It just looks better. Roberto did this. Great work to Roberto. Thank you! The second thing is that Eclipse included in the product is now Neon. That's an upgrade Wim did, so which means that we automatically get all the improvements Eclipse did and CDD did, just for free. And the third thing we did is we support the external programs now, which means that the only basic feature the Arduino IDE still has, Sloeber does not have, is the burn bootloader. Another thing is the ESP8266 over-the-air upload. It's exactly the same as the UN. The ESP is connected to the Wi-Fi, your computer is connected over the network to the Wi-Fi, and you simply upload over the Wi-Fi your sketch and it starts without any hassle. Great feature. And last thing is a long-lasting, annoying thing, which is actually more a bug fix, but it's actually a feature we wanted a long time, but we didn't know how to do it. And somebody did it. And he told me that's the way how to know that a build failed, and now we can stop the upload if the build fails. Let's look at what it looks like on the computer.
I have here the Sloeber version 3.0 on this side, and we have 3.1 on this side. As you can see, you can very clearly compare them, and as you see, I also already used this one to do some work, but I cleaned up everything. In 3.1 I also installed the ESP board platform, actually ESP, so this one is installed. Yeah, here only Arduino is installed. So new sketch in 3.1, blink without delay, and we do next, and here you can select the Uno and the port. Now if we do the same in the 3.1, you'll see a difference, because here, we need to pick the AVR, of course, and I pick the Uno. Here you see that there is an upload protocol. And you can choose the programmer you want to use to upload this. So we're going to go blink without delay, finish, and examples, blink without delay, finish. So further on, these two look the same. A second thing which is seriously different on the GUI side is if you look at the serial monitor, we'll maximize both here. So in 3.1 there's here auto scroll and filter scope, which are not really nice and not really the Eclipse way. And here you got clear, which is the clear button, which is moved there. Here there is the hide scope data, which is filter scope, and here you see the scroll lock, which is auto scroll. Yeah, so this is exactly the same functionality. It just moved a bit, and it looks much nicer. Oops. In 3.1, 3.0, if you go to the preferences, Arduino, you have the library manager. And it's gonna take a long time to load. We're going to do the same thing in the meantime in the 3.1. As you can see in 3.1 it loads far quicker, and it also looks nicer. There is a search box, probably servo must be somewhere in there. Servo, yeah, you get here servo. Here you have to go and look for servo, which is not even alphabetically ordered and stuff like that. It's gonna take some time. Here it's easier, lots easier. If you pick one, you can change the version here. This is if you want to install this one, you can select this one and pick the version. But okay, we'll add it. Okay, so it's adding it. Here you had to just select or click to remove. So that's looking lots better as well. So because we moved to Neon, we have another functionality which I personally really like. For people who have look at this in non-HD, I can increase the font so you can clearly see. This is the blink without today. In 3.0 it did not work. Yeah, we added in 3.0 myclass.a, and we added in 3.1 myclass.a. And what many people don't know is that quick fix does exist in CDT, and CDT added a quick fix, and that's how I found out that it does work. Normally when you hover over it you don't see the quick fix, but if you right click on the error you should see quick fix, but even then I don't find it. But if you press Control 1, and on my keyboard that's Control Shift 1 because the one it's not an American keyboard, you see rename in file and rename in workspace. In 3.1 you have the quick fix create new class, which will get you to the new class wizard, and you can create a new class. He created a new class and stuff like that. If I try to upload, he asks you what do you want to build, and he starts to build, and he says stereo in use. Yeah, though there is an error, it still tries to upload. Yeah, which is not good. This is a long-lasting problem which we finally fixed. When you try to build, now he says, do you want to build always? Yes, no, but you can also say always and never, which is yes, no for all next ones. So we always want to build before upload. So, and now he says the build failed because of error, of course, by hitting our my class. And it doesn't want to upload. So if we add my class here, now he will give the same error without the dialog box, because we said yes, we want always to build before compiling. So now he's building, he's getting further than the eno file, and when he's done building he will upload automatically, which will fail because there is no uno attached. If we go to 3.1 only for the OTA. So I have here a ESP to me, so we will create a project for it based on the OTA example. So we select the ESP one. It's the VMOS I have attached on COM3. So we take 160 megahertz, one flash, and upload speed. Okay, and we do next. And we do Arduino OTA, basic OTA. Finish. So we have ESP now here, and we have the code now. So I'm going to use the Control Plus to enlarge this a bit. This is a standard code. So this stuff we're going to delete, and I'm going to add a file based on my desktop where my name and password is included. I'm gonna drag it here. So copy the file. So here my name and password is in here, which is actually the same as the 2 lines I removed, but with my name and password. So he's actually here, connection failed, booting. I'll do this one here. I do this, my ESP. Passwords I don't think is supported yet or whatever. So that's the thing. We're now going to upload this via the COM port. So the build was successful. Now he's trying to upload. It's uploading. Now we are uploaded. We can upload into the Wi-Fi. To do so, we select here the published stuff. Of course, you need to run the Bonjour service on Windows machines, otherwise this won't work. And now we upload again on doing the upload, and as you can see, he's now launching Python, which is a completely different thing. So to be able to do this, you also have to install Python, and he uploaded it.
So, a quick recap. What did we learn today about version 3.1? The GUI has improved seriously because of Roberto. We now have the neon included into the product. We support external programmers. We support over-the-air of ESP8266. And when the build fails, we no longer do the upload. That's it, guys. And thanks to all my patrons for supporting me. And if you're using Sloeber, really you should consider supporting us, because things are not going good in my life. Thank you.